I do. If I can tear this stupid Oh, I'm already seeing duplicates. Oh, there's a trainer, but I need that first. You know the rule. Victini. Oh, I got Hollow Energy. That's at least a good card then. Oh, it's got texture on it too.